compound interest. Here is a trick question for you. Would you rather have R1,000,000 right now or start with a cent now and double it every day for 30 days? What would you choose? In option A, the money that we receive is fixed at R1,000,000. In option B, we have 1 cent on the first day. Since this will be double, we have 2 cents on day 2. On day 3, we have 4 cents. On day 4, we have 8 cents. On day 5, we double 8 cents to get 16 cents. So it seems that option A is definitely more attractive than option B if you consider only 5 days in a month. But will this option be as attractive at the end of 30 days? Let's work this out. Observe that we are doubling the number of cents every day. Observe that on day 28, the value of money crosses R1,000,000. The value of money jumps to R2.7 million on day 29. On day 30, we have doubled the value of money again to 5.4 million. So if we had picked up R1,000,000 that was available immediately, we would have to let go of about R4 million. How did this happen? The total value of money was calculated at the end of each day, and its entire value was doubled the very next day. This is the power of compounding. When we invest money, it grows annually. Let's start with an initial investment of R10,000. This is the principal amount. The money is invested for a period of 5 years. We receive interest at the rate of 4% per annum. Recall the formula for calculating interest. Interest equals 10,000 times 4 times 1 over 100 equals 400. So at the end of the year, we receive R400 as interest. So the balance in the account is 10,400 Rand. Compounding simply means earning interest on interest. Next year, we will receive interest on 10,400 Rand and not just on the principal amount of 10,000 Rand. The interest amount is now 416 Rand. So the balance in the account is now 10,816 Rand. The interest for the next year will be calculated on the accumulated amount of 10,816 Rand and not on 10,000 Rand. Compound interest is paid both on the money deposited and on any interest that is accumulated to date. This calculation continues till the end of the period of investment. Here, the amount of interest charged every year varies.
In simple interest, the amount of interest earned at the end of the year will remain constant at 400 Rand. So at the end of 5 years, simple interest would be 400 Rand times 5, which equals 2,000 Rand. Compound interest earned at the end of 5 years is 12,167 Rand minus 10,000 Rand equals 2,167 Rand. Instead of calculating the interest on the balance amount at the end of every year, we can use a formula to calculate compound interest. A equals P times 1 plus R over 100, the whole raised to the power of N, or P times 1 plus I, the whole raised to the power of N, where A is the final amount, P is the principal amount, R is the rate in percentage per annum, and N is the time in years, and I equals R over 100.
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel. Can't wait that long? Ask Maskly to help you and let the math finally start mathing.